So the prediction error for average for all the internal formulations should be less than 10%. So one of the formulations can be 15%. So the absolute errors are used in these, and if any of the percentage prediction error greater than 15% and less than 20%, that means it is inconclusive. We may have to go for additional data sets and then use them as external validation. So next, we are going to take the data that is validated IVIVC model, and then in this case, I'm going to show you an example. We have developed a test formulation in a new manufacturing site, and then we already have a formulation that is, we have biodata, that is CRO3, and we wanted to see whether this new test formulation has very similar profile to the marketed product. So that we are going to look into detail in our IVIVC demo. So moving on to our demo now. So I have already a project that has been run since we cannot run the model during the webinar, but I would like to focus your attention to this data folder. We have 3 data sets. The first data set is IVIVC dissolution, where you see the formulation information, the time, and then we have data up to 4 hours. For each of the formulation, we have CRO1, CRO2, CRO3, and CRO4. And then we have fraction dissolve. And most often, we do get a dissolution data in percentage, but you can easily convert using Phoenix Winolin or Data Wizard into fraction dissolved. So the next important data set is IVIVC Vivo. So in this case, we do have time scale, and then but we collected data up to 72 hours. And then we have data for individual subject for each of the formulations, as you see it here.